Hello students, here I am with a question. Numerical problem is here. We have to find the value of x. ABC is a triangle where AD is equal to DB. No measurement is given to us. Even we have to take in mind that we have to keep in mind that AD is equal to DB. Okay, this angle is x to be found, and then only this value is given to us, that is equal to 45. How we can calculate x? What we have to do? Now, this is actually 45. It means whole angle is 180. It means this will be 135. Is it very much okay? Okay. Before starting this problem, I have to say that this is simply the problem, not necessary to be 100% true. Okay. Now we are going to start. This is by virtue will be automatically equal to 135. This angle will be equal to 135. Okay. Okay. Very much okay. Now, what we have to do? And let us start. This is already, this is also given to us 15. That is my mistake. It is also given to us 15. This is given to us 15. Okay, this angle is 15 given to us already. It means we are given in triangle CDB. This is 50. This is 135. Hence, this will be equal to angle DBC. This will be equal to 180 minus 150. That is 30. Addition of these three should be 180. It means this will be automatically equal to 30 degree. Okay, this will be 30 degree. We can write it as 30. Okay, this is 50 already given to us. This is 135. We have already calculated, and remaining will be 30. Okay. Now, what we can do? Let us draw an arc with a center as D, an arc equal to DB. This to be measured, and then we draw an arc over here in this way. So that this, if we join this, D, that is point E. Taking D as a center and DB as an arc, we have drawn a cut on CB at E. D को सेंटर माना, AB के बराबर आर्क लिया, आर्क लेके कट मारा जो CB को E पे काटता है. Then what will be happen? It is to be rubbed over here. Then this, it means we can have ED will be equal to DB. ED will be equal to in such a way so that this will be equal to this, because this is the center and arc is taking of length DB and then cut is drawn on CB. Okay. Now we are having the triangle DEB is new generated triangle in which this ED is equal to DB, and hence this is already 30. It means this angle will automatically become equal to 30. Clear? Very much clear. Okay. And hence it means this is 30, this is 30. In this triangle, EDB, this is 30, this is 30. That angle EDB, this will be equal to 180 minus 30 plus 30, that is 180 minus 60, that is 120. This angle, this portion will be only 120. This portion will be only 120. Okay? Clear? Oh, very much clear. But the whole angle was 135. CDB was 135. We have calculated EDB is equal to 120. It means this remaining portion is what? 15. This remaining will be 15. How? First, I am going to prove it again. Okay? In triangle CDB, we were given this is 15 and this is calculated 30. How? That because the addition of external angle is equal to 45. These addition of internal angle of the triangle CDB will be equal to 45. Out of which this is 15. So that it becomes 30. Now in triangle, this whole angle is 180. It means this will be equal to 135. Out of which we have proved via this triangle EDB, this portion is 120. It means this will be 50. Okay, this will be 50. Now we are having a new triangle that is CDE. This is 50, this is 50. This is 15, this is 15. It means that this arc is equal to this arc. Angle EDC, EDC is equal to angle EDC is equal to 15 and angle CDE is also 15. It means that ED is equal to CE. It means this also equal to this and this is equal to this and this is equal to this. It means these four arms are equal. CE is equal to ED is equal to DB is equal to 8. Okay, clear. Now, join E and D. Join ED. Join ED, then we'll get what? This. This is to be joined. Okay. Okay. Now further we have a new triangle. ADE. In triangle ADE. ADE. AE. ED is equal to ED is equal to DA. It means that this angle, it means that this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay? This angle will be equal to this angle. It means that angle EAD will be equal to angle EDA. But this angle EAD will be equal to angle ADE. Sorry, ADE. But angle EAD is 60. EAD is equal to 45 plus 15, that is 60. It means all angles are 60. This will be 60, this will be 60, and this will be. It means that all three angles in triangle ADE, AED are equal. It means this is equilateral triangle. This will be equilateral triangle. EAD will be a equilateral triangle. Now, it means this arm will also be equal to this one. This will be also equal. Equilateral triangle. This triangle will become equilateral. Now, this will come 60. This is 60. This is 60. This total addition 15 plus 45 60. Now this is 30. This is 60. It means this will be. This is 90. It means this will be 90. Correct. This will be 90 because this is 30. This is 60. It means this whole is 90. Remaining part automatically become 90 of this angle at point E. Now, again, in triangle ECEA. Now, this is the last. In triangle CAE. CAE. This is 90. Angle E. It means angle CEA is equal to 90 degree. And CE arm is equal to AE. It means whole this angle will be equal to this angle. It means each angle will be equal to 45. It means angle ACAE will be equal to 45. Angle CAE, this will be 45, and also angle ACE will be also 45. This is 45, and this will be, or total addition will be also 45, out of which this is 15. It means angle ACE, which is equal to 45, is equal to x plus 15. X plus 15, which is equal to 45. It means x is equal to 30. This is the answer. Very interesting, very calculative, very nice. Only simply you have to use the formula external angle of the triangle or the addition of the internal remaining angle. This theory is only applicable for this theory. एक त्रिभुज दे रखा था ABC जिसके अंदर दो आर्म्स, ये वाला एंगल x निकालना था, ये 15 दे रखा था, ये आर्म्स बराबर थी. सबसे पहला स्टार्टिंग ये था कि आपको D से सेंटर बराबर करके आपने इसको बराबर कर दिया. तो ये वाली, ये देखिए पूरे ट्रायंगल में हमें ये 15 दे रखा है, ये 45 है, तो इन दोनों का एडिशन 45 के बराबर होगा, क्योंकि इस वाले ट्रायंगल में CDB में इंटरनल का एडिशन एक्सटर्नल के बराबर होता है, जिसमें एक 15 है तो ये 30 हो गया. ये जब 30 निकल गया उसके बाद हमने इसको सेंटर मार के DB के बराबर आर्क काटा, तो ये आर्म इस आर्म के बराबर हुई, तो ये वाली एंगल ये वाले एंगल के बराबर हो गया। जब ये एंगल के बराबर हो गया, उसके बाद हमने क्या किया कि इसके ये जब ये 30 हो गया तो ये वाला बचा पोर्शन 120 रह गया। लेकिन क्योंकि आउट ऑफ दिस इज 45 है, ये पूरा 135 था, इसमें 120 ये रह गया, तो ये वाला पोर्शन 15 रह गया, बिकॉज दिस वाज 45, दिस होल एंगल वाज 135 में आउट ऑफ विच 120, दिस इज 15, ये 15 आ गया। जब ये आपका 15 आ गया, दिस वाला एंगल, ये दिस इज 15, दिस पोर्शन ओनली 15, ये 15 आ गया। देन जब ये 15 और ये ऑलरेडी 15 दे रखा है, तो इसमें ये वाली आर्क भी इस आर्म के बराबर हो गई, ठीक है। उसके बाद हमने इसको इसमें मिलाया। जब ये मिलाया, इसको मिला दिया, उसमें क्या हुआ कि ये वाली आर्म इसके बराबर थी और ये वाली आर्म में इसके बराबर आर्म करी, इसका मतलब ये वाली आर्म इस आर्म के बराबर होगी, इसलिए ये वाला एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर हो जाएगा, करेक्ट। अब ये वाला एंगल जब इस एंगल के बराबर हो गया, ये होल एंगल आपका 30 है, तो ये 60 है, 90, ये 90 रिमेन रहेगा, तो ये वाला पोर्शन आपका 90 हो गया। जब ये 90 हो गया, तो ये वाला इस पूरे ट्रायंगल में ये 90 है, इन दोनों का एडिशन आपस में 90 होना चाहिए और बराबर भी होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस आर्म इज इक्वल टू दिस। इस तरह से हमने x plus 5 is equal to also 45, that is the x is equal to 30. Okay, I think it is very much clear concept to you. आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। Thanks for watching my video and please don't forget to like and subscribe me. Okay, this create the motivation for me. Okay, thank you. Good night.